Number 29, state the center and radius of each circle. So beginning with this one, we have x squared plus y squared minus 8 equals 0. So we need to get this into circle form. We already know it's a circle. So we need to add 8 to both sides because we know circle format looks like this. X squared plus y squared equals r squared. So this is going to give us x squared plus y squared equals 8. So we know our center is 0, 0. There's been no translation here. We'll be looking at another example where there is translation, but for this one we have no translation, so our center is at 0, 0. We know that r squared is this number here, so we can take this separately and say r squared equals 8. Take the square root. R is going to equal, this will be square root 4 times square root 2, which will simplify to 2 root 2. So here's my radius, here's my circle. My center, center of the circle. All right, number 30. So this is already in a nice format for us. Here's our translation. So here we had no plus or minus with the x, no plus or minus with the y. The center was 0, 0. Number 30, here we can see that the center has been moved 4 to the right and down 1. That's what this information is telling us. It's always going to be the opposite sign of what's in the parentheses here. So the center is now 4. It's been moved 4 to the right, so that's positive 4, down 1, so that's negative 1. R squared equals 4. Here's my radius squared. So I'm going to take the square root, r equals 2. So my radius equals 2 for number 30. Number 31, we're going to have to complete the square on this one, so let's group the x's together. So we have x squared minus 8x plus, I'm going to leave a blank, and then plus y squared plus 10y plus blank, and then I'm going to move this 12 over. I'm going to actually do that first. I'm going to show that right here. Plus 12, so it's gone from here now, and now it's on the other side of the equal sign. So this is going to equal 12, and then plus these two numbers that we're adding on the other side. So let's figure this out. To get the number to fill in here, we take half of the b value, which is negative 4, and square it. That's going to be positive 16. So we do the same thing over here. Here we take half of our b value, so that's 5, and we square it. 5 squared is 25. So we add 25 here as well. So now let's complete our squares. So this is going to be x, whatever half of this value is here, is what goes in the square. So that's x minus 4, negative 4 squared. That's this piece here. Now plus y, what's half of 10? Half of positive 10, more importantly, positive 5 squared. And this is going to equal 12 plus 16 plus 25, which is 53. So now this is in a similar format as this one over here, number 30 that we just looked at. So we have our translation. This one was again moved 4 to the right. So our center is going to be at 4 and down 5, negative 5. So this is to the right 4, down 5. So negative 5. And my radius, so r squared equals 53. Take the square root, take the square root. R is just going to be the square root of 53. We can only do that with it. So the center is at 4, negative 5. Radius is the square root of 53. That's going to be our answer for number 31.